2020, it's an amazing year for real estate investors, homeowners that want to add more equity to the property, more value, want to expand the size of the property, and most importantly, get more income. It's the first time in American history that you can build on an R1 zone, that it's a residential zone, 2-3 units. So you basically getting another 2 units with construction cost only, since you don't need to buy the land. You already own a property, you already own the land. Now the only thing that you need to invest is construction cost. The amazing thing in 2020, that it's not only that you can build an ADU of up to 1,200 square foot that can contain 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a large kitchen, living room, dining room with a separate address and a separate meter for the utility bills. Now in 2020 you can add the 3rd unit, which called Junior Suite. In the city of LA, you can build the 3rd unit that can be up to 500 square feet with the same characteristics. You can still gonna have another address, a separate panel box, which means the tenants, the people you're gonna rent the property for, they're gonna pay their own electric bill. So you can get a triplex with half of the cost of a triplex, just by owning a lot that it's big enough. So anyone that have a lot that it's 6,000 square feet can easily get additional 2 units on them. You don't need to buy another 2 properties. You just need to utilize the property that you have and just build on it. You already have what need to be done to invest in real estate. You already have the land. That's the most expensive part in a real estate investment. You already have it. Now you need to take advantage of it and build on it. We're going to be more than happy to help you with the architectural plans, engineering, Title 24, energy calculations, survey, and most importantly, it's to build it for you. We are a design to build company. Please call us for a free consultation, and we're gonna do whatever we can to help you. Happy New Year. Happy prosper year. That's it.